Hey, class. Oh, I hope you guys are having such a great Easter. I know that I am. Even though I can't see my mom and my dad and my family like I do normally, I do get to have some time just being with myself and remembering what this time is for and um, and just hanging out with Travis and his brother. We're about to have a really nice dinner together. So it's actually been a really nice Easter. I sent out an Easter egg hunt for them to do this morning. So I hope you guys have had some fun experience with that as well. I can't wait to hear about it on Monday morning, but we'll talk about that tomorrow. I'm going to go ahead and get started on what your lesson plan is for the week. Um, you guys have been doing so good, and I'm so proud of you. So I know that this is getting to be more of a routine for you guys, and you are understanding what is expected of you. So keep up the good work, and make sure that you watch this video first, which I know that you're doing because you clicked it right here. Okay, so that's that video, and of course, there's the YouTube version of this week assignment if that link doesn't work for you. These videos are all those videos that I've had on the lesson plans for the past 3 weeks, and it's just explaining Seesaw, Head Sprout, Kids A to Z if you need any refreshers, or if you've never watched a video to begin with and need to know how to actually do it, you can go ahead and review those videos. I did learn, cool thing, probably not as cool to you as it is to me, but I finally learned how to embed links into documents. So I've been able to, now you just click on the words and it brings you to the video instead of there being like a lot of links and it looks super overwhelming. It's completely cleared up my lesson plan. So it looks nice now. All right. So, just a reminder, I'm here from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. to help you with any support that you need. From 9:20 to 10:05, that is when I'm actually like in the zone with you with no interruptions. So, that's always there for you guys to know that. Make sure that you share your assignments on Seesaw right there. If you don't know how to do that already, you can go look up that video again. Um, all right, so within 9 a.m. to 12 p.m., your child needs to complete and submit these assignments to me. On Monday, I've got a new rapid word chart for you guys to do. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, you are doing the rapid word chart. Then you're doing a head sprout lesson. And then you're going to listen to a story that Miss Hughes has read for you guys, which I really hope you guys enjoy. And then you're going to do a handwriting assignment. Thursday, there's no rapid word chart. You're actually going to read a story, one story from your level up room. And then on Friday, make sure you reread that same story. Um, Also on Friday, you are going to pick a person that you admire. When you admire someone, it means that you look up to them, you love them, you want to be like them. They're so awesome. So pick someone that you admire, and you're going to write a letter to them telling them why you admire them. And here's an example of what I want it to look like. So watch this video and make it look just like that. For math, you're going to practice your math facts and you're going to do non-standard measurement again. This is the last week for non-standard measurement. You guys have been doing really, really, really good about it. There potentially will be a test coming out in the middle of the week. I'm trying to figure out how to get that to work for all students to get it because not all students are doing the online, they're doing the paper packet. So I'm trying to figure out what I can do about that. But anyway, just do your math assignments and look out for another email throughout the week. Of course, science on Monday, social studies on Tuesday, art on Wednesday, music on Thursday, PE on Friday. You guys know the drill, so that's good. All right, so understand the assignments for ELA. Like I said, you're going to do 1 minute rapid word chart. So you'll just click the words right there and it will bring you to the new rapid word chart for this week. You guys, I loved seeing the videos of you doing the rapid word chart. Keep up the good work. Then you're going to do 15 minutes of Head Sprout every day. And then you're going to listen to one of the stories that Miss Hughes read. It's really cool because it's a new genre that you don't know about. It's called a narrative nonfiction genre, which means these books are based off of real people, events, history, but it's written in a way that to entertain you. And so these books are really cool. And so you'll just click the link and it brings it to Miss Hughes reading it to you, which I love. I hope you guys love too. And make sure you do all 4 of them because the last one is Miss Hughes's favorite because I actually ended up buying the book. That's how much I love that story. So make sure you watch all of them. If you need the YouTube link instead because those Google Drive ones are not working, email me and I will make sure I email it to you, the YouTube link to you guys. All right, for handwriting, it's a little different just to mix it up some. It's still you still need to find the mistakes, but you only need to write it one time and you can draw a picture to match your words. So it's a little bit different, so you're not doing the same thing every week. I just wanted to change it up on you guys. On Thursdays, like I said, on Thursdays only, you're going to read a book from your Level Up room. Please do all 3. Make sure you're listening to the story first, then you read the story, and then you do the quiz. And when you are reading the story, make sure you record yourself. On Friday, reread the same story for extra practice. For math, so make sure you're practicing your math facts. Those are very, very, very important. On Monday, you're going to measure one object, which is your shoe that I wrote right there, with units of 2 different lengths, crayons and pencils. Okay, so you're going to take your shoe and you're going to measure crayons up to it, and you're going to write how many crayons that was. Then you're going to take that same shoe and measure with pencils and record how many pencils did that take. Okay, you're comparing lengths, and you're going to write that down in this little worksheet. Okay, day 1 is going to be about the shoe. Shoe, how many crayons was it? Pencil, how many pencils was it? Don't worry about the hairbrush, don't worry about the pillow, and don't worry about the stuff at the bottom on Monday. Okay, this is a continual document. You're going to keep adding to it. Okay, so now Tuesday, you're going to measure the same object, which is a hairbrush, with units of 2 different lengths, crayons and pencils again, and you're going to record it. How many crayons did it take? Write it right there. How many pencils did it take? On Wednesday, you're going to measure the same object, which is your pillow, with 2 units of different lengths, crayons and pencils, and you're going to record it again on the same document. Pillow, how many crayons did it take? Pillow, how many pencils did it take? On this day also is when you're going to do the writing stem. After you have looked at the differences between here, you're going to notice that there's something different about measuring with crayons and measuring with pencils. And once you figure out the difference there, you can fill out the sentence. There are blank crayons than pencils because, and you need to fill in that sentence stem for me. On Thursday is a little bit more of a fun activity because I wanted you guys to go around with your dad or mom's shoe because they're way bigger than yours. And so they're kind of like a giant's foot, if you think about it. And this assignment is called Giant Foot Worksheet. So you're going to take your dad or your mom's shoe, whichever one you want, because they're big, they're like a giant. And you're going to walk around and you're going to put it up next to different objects. And you're going to see what is longer and what is shorter. And I want you to find as many as you can. Find as many as you can and write them down. Okay? That's that assignment. For science, you're going to watch this PowerPoint that Miss Hughes has made for you guys. Make sure, please, 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 make sure when you click that link that you go up here to this button right here and download it to your computer. When you download it to your computer, it actually makes it into the correct format for you to hear the audio. If you don't download it, you cannot hear the audio. Okay, so then when you click that and it opens up to the actual PowerPoint, you can go up here to make it present to you. And then you can hear the audio and you can go through it. Okay. At the end is where the assignment is. Your assignment is to make a chart that looks just like this and fill in the chart. And it explains it in the video, or it explains it in the PowerPoint when you're on this slide. So I don't want to waste my time and explain it on this video when you can watch it again on the PowerPoint. But please, please, please make sure you download. All right, social studies is the same thing. You're going to open up this PowerPoint, and what are you going to do? You're going to download it. Good. Download it right there. So it gets downloaded to your computer, and you can listen to the audio, because if you don't download it, the audio will not work. And when you're in it, you can present it to yourself and it will read it to you. You do not have to read it. It will read it to you. You can read along with Miss Hughes if you want. And down here is the assignment again. Based off of watching the video, you'll understand the assignment. Please make sure you download. If you download it and the audio still doesn't work, email me and I will send you the PowerPoint personally. If that still doesn't work and you cannot hear the audio at all, then you're going to have to ask your mommy and daddy to read it to you. Okay? Because these PowerPoints are a little bit difficult if you can't get it read to you. So make sure you have someone that can read it to you. I've attempted to read it to you guys myself, but if you can't get the audio and you can't hear it, you're going to have someone else read it to you. Okay, and then for art, music, and PE, it's the same document down there that you've been working on. All right, that is your assignment for this week, guys. Like I said, I'm so proud of you. Keep working hard, keep reading, keep turning in assignments. I am seeing them, I am loving them, and I miss you guys so much, and I hope that we get to be at school sometime soon, and I can't wait to talk to you guys tomorrow morning. All right, I love you, and stay safe, and I will see you tomorrow.